Okay, so here's the scenario. Blakey's got a fuzzy on his pants. Where is it? What is it? Give me this thing. What is it? It's on your pants. Get it?
No. No.
Why? You don't like it?
No.
Why?
No. No.
Oh no. It's a fuzzy.
Yeah.
See? It's just a fuzzy.
Okay.
Get it off.
No.
Mama, get it. Fuzzy.
No.
Fuzzy. Now it's on your shirt.
No.
Oh. Oh, you gonna touch it?
No.
Are you gonna touch it?
No.
You touched it.
No.
What?
No.
It's a fuzzy.
No. Help.
Help?
Yeah.
You need help?
Yeah.
Please help, Mama.
Mama. Hey.
You want to get it off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Help.
Get the fuzzy.
No. No me. No. No me. No.
It's gone.
Okay.
Do you want it?
No.
It's a fuzzy.
No. No.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Okay, no more fuzzy.